Welcome to the DragonForce incident creation tutorial, where I'll be demonstrating how to create an incident. Once you're logged into DragonForce, you are directed to the Home Group tab, signified by the Group Manager icon. To create a new incident, tap the Create New icon, then select Incident. Type in the name of your incident, then tap the arrow. You're now the incident commander, signified by the gold star, meaning you can manage any subgroup within the incident. Additionally, you can broadcast text messages to all members of the incident. To add deputy incident commanders, select the Add icon and tick the boxes next to the preferred users. These silver star users will help you command the incident. Tap the checkmark to confirm. Hit the checkmark once you've compiled your team. An incident is comprised of subgroups. To add subgroups to the incident, tap the Incident Options menu. Manage Incident, hit Create New Subgroup, and type in the subgroup name. Tap the arrow when you're done. As you can see, the incident commander and the deputy incident commanders are automatically members of the subgroup. To add members to your subgroup, tap the Add icon. Tick the boxes of the members you'd like to add to the subgroup. These users are the group members of the subgroup within the incident. They can be promoted to Assistant Group Manager by double tapping the tick box, or Group Manager by tapping and holding on the user on the members page. These roles, Group Manager and Assistant Group Manager, allow the user to operate the subgroup of which they are members. Once you've gathered your team, tap the checkmark. You've now completed the incident creation tutorial. For more information or to check out more DragonForce tutorials, visit the DragonForce Academy. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.